Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have an Empire automatic super lighter made in Japan. This is a flat advertising lighter for New Providence Island, Nassau, Bahamas. Has a very nice paint scheme and colors, along with the, I believe it's brass base metal beneath. Seems to function okay, and really cool lighter with a interesting image on the other side as well. This lighter shows scuffs, scrapes, dings, maybe some corrosion. I did notice there's a spot here, which I've done enough auto body work and seen rust under paint and rust under chrome on bumpers, if that's what that looks like to me. But that could just be an imperfection in the metal beneath the plating. As I said, I believe it is a brass lighter. Has some sort of a coating, clear coating over the brass and the paint, I believe. Could be wrong about that. Very cool lighter. Marked Empire here on the side, and then on the bottom, Empire automatic super lighter, Japan. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media. However it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and dependableflame.com across all the social media platforms. That'll be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. I don't know if this is the Nassau version of the guys who stand guard over in England. He looks like he's a policeman of some sort. Sort of fellow who might want to confiscate your combustibles. Maybe it is a politician. I doubt that. I think if that was the case, it'd probably have a name on it. I think it's just a generic figure. Maybe somebody who's been there can tell me. I've never been to the Bahamas. I apologize also, I don't know if it's coming through to the video or not, but it is raining cats and dogs in Oklahoma City today. So hopefully my voice and this lighter are brilliant enough to overcome that in the background. This blue paint is really a nice color. It's got several colors of paint. Looks like blue, black, and red. Then with the, I believe it's brass background. Got a horse and carriage of some kind. We've got a fish on the hook from a fisherman in a boat. This looks like maybe a, I don't know. Thought it looked like a geisha or something, but I don't know if that would be appropriate for the Bahamas. That's too small, I can't read that. And I'm not sure that what this fella up here is doing. He looks like he's walking on water. So this says Eleuthera, which is an island, and this says Harbor Islands. Space ran out on the camera, so I had to stop and erase a bunch of videos, so I took the time to look it up while I was off. This also looks like several different colors, maybe green and brown when I took the picture. That may be a different color from the fish. Looks like the fish is black, the boat is brown. We'll see if that comes through in the video. Anyway, back to him. I forgot to look him up while I was off. Make sure you get over to eBay and check out the DependableFlame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of each purchase benefiting that charity. We also have 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of those listings, the net proceeds, go to HDSA. I provide free shipping. High bidder pays the money, gets the lighter. Everybody is happy. So I'm not sure if there is a coat, because that looks like that may be a chip off of paint. So there may be a clear or a thin coat of maybe a goldish tone or brass-like paint over it, or that may be the coating itself. I can't tell. That's probably what it is. Maybe the coating is cracked there, so you're seeing the corrosion of the brass underneath. This lighter was listed on the Empire company, I should say, was listed on the Toledo Bend BCL site as mid-1950s, and that was really about it. State series type lighters. I did pull that wick up and cut it off. Also pulled the file wheel out of there and brushed it off with a soft brass brush. Did find out on Wikipedia that apparently New Providence Island is the most populated island in the Bahamas. I know Buddy Hield is from the Bahamas, but that is Freeport. I looked that up, and I think that's up over here somewhere on the map, off to the northwest of this island. I don't know much about the Bahamas though. While you're over at eBay checking out the DependableFlame.com store, make sure that you follow us so that you are notified each time those new listings go up. Also, here on the YouTube channel, make sure that you hit the bell so that you get that notification in your inbox every time we publish a video, rather than just waiting to happen upon it later. This letter does show some dings, dents, scuffs, as I said earlier, corrosion, scratches, probably some paint loss, but a very nice flat ad lighter for the Nassau Bahamas, New Providence Island, in good working condition. Until next time.